Hello friends, this video will be helpful for those who are preparing for first year intermediate public examination, and this video gives you clear cut idea about every long question in chemistry first year public examination. So going to first lesson, atomic structure. In this chapter, the most important question is, what are the postulates of Bohr's model of hydrogen atom? Discuss the importance of this model to explain various series of line spectra in hydrogen atom. We need to explain the hydrogen atom spectra. And the second most important question is, how are the quantum numbers n principal quantum number, L angular quantum number, and m magnetic quantum number arrived at? Explain the significance of these quantum numbers. And third important question is, define atomic orbital. Explain the shapes of s, p and d orbitals with the help of diagrams. These are three most important questions for first year chemistry, those who are preparing for board exams. And further going to second chapter, periodic properties. In this chapter, first we have the sections in chemistry board examination. For first section, it will be 10 into 2 marks. For every question, it will be 2 marks and there will be 10 questions. So, first section will get 20 marks. And coming to second section, 6 into 4, 24 marks. There will be 4 marks for every one question and we need to write 6 questions. And in third section, 2 into 8, 16. We need to attempt only 2 and each question carries 8 marks. So coming to our topic. In periodic properties, second periodic table and its properties. In second lesson, the important question is, write an essay on S, P, D and F block elements. And second important question in second lesson is, what is a periodic property? How the following property vary in a group and in a period? Explain atomic radius and electron gain enthalpy and ionization energy and electron negativity. You need to focus on all these 4. These are most important. And next, further going to next question. Define ionization energy of first and second. Why is IE2 is greater than IE1 for a given atom? Discuss the factors that affect IE of an element. In this lesson, you need to most focus on these 3 because these are definite questions, powermost questions. You need to focus on this. And further, so in chapter 3, chemical bonding, here you need to focus on give an account of Vesper theory and its applications. Next, How do you explain the geometry of the molecule on the basis of VBT? And next question is, what do you understand by hybridization? Explain different types of hybridization involving s and p orbitals. And next important question is, write the salient features of MOT, molecular orbital theory. And last most important question in third lesson is, give the MOE diagram of N2 and O2. Calculate the respective bond order. Write the magnetic nature of N2 and O2 molecules. In these 5 questions, you need to more focus on MOE diagram of N2 and O2 molecules, and what do you understand by hybridization? Explain different types of hybridization involving s and p orbitals. And next, give an account of Westpad theory and its applications. Just you need to read these 2 questions. Okay, it may be get, but you need to focus on this. Next, going to 5th chapter, that is chemical equilibrium and acids and bases. In this chapter, the most and expected questions are Le Chatelier principle. Le Chatelier principle is the most important question. These 2 questions you need to focus. Okay. What is Le Chatelier principle? Discuss briefly the factors which can influence the equilibrium. And this is also focused question. Discuss the application of Le Chatelier's principle for the industrial synthesis of ammonia and sulfur trioxide. Okay. Next, further, these are, when the paper gets hard, you need to focus on these 2. Okay. So just check that sheet, not focus on this. Next, hydrogen and its compounds. In this lesson, you may get one definite question by research of previous exams, previous boards. I searched, this is also one of the most important chapter. In this chapter, you need to more focus on the questions that are, explain with suitable examples the following: electron deficient, electron precise, and electron rich hydrides. This is the one of the most important question. And second most important question in this chapter is, explain the terms hard water and soft water. Write a note on ion exchange method and Kealgan method for the removal of hardness of water. In our books, when I have written, this is our question. And next question, you need to check all these 3. Okay. But these are most focused questions. Next, going to group 13 in P block. How are borax and boric acid prepared? Explain the action of heat on them. And next important question in this chapter is, how is diborane prepared? Explain its structure. these two questions are most important questions. You need to focus on this. Okay, these are the important questions. So I hope you understood all these questions, but I'm giving you the top 10 questions in my hope. First one and second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. These two belongs to same. 8, 9, 10. And once check these two, these both also important. So these top 12 questions are the most important. While preparing, more focus on these questions. Okay, so I hope you understood this session, and in my next session I will discuss the most important questions for 4 marks and 2 marks. While preparing, just focus on the content, and by time consistent you have less. So focus on these important questions which I am suggesting you all, and all the very best for your exams. Thank you.